Having one AirPod battery drain faster than the other is a common problem, even with the newest models like the AirPods 4th Gen and AirPods Pro 2nd Gen. The main reason is that each AirPod has its own independent battery. These batteries can experience uneven power draw due to software bugs or one being used more than the other. The first step is to try software solutions before considering hardware issues. Start by resetting your AirPods via Bluetooth settings on your iPhone or Android. This clears any software glitches that might cause uneven battery drain. Then, make sure your iPhone or Android and AirPods are updated to the latest software. These updates often include battery management improvements that can balance charge levels more evenly. After applying these software fixes, your AirPods batteries should drain more evenly, improving their overall performance. Usage and environmental factors play a significant role in why one AirPod might drain faster than the other. The way you interact with your AirPods can create imbalances in power consumption. If you use one AirPod more frequently for phone calls or voice activities, that earbud will consume more battery power. For example, the right AirPod is often used more heavily due to its role in handling audio processing. Environmental conditions also affect battery performance. Extreme temperatures, particularly cold weather, can significantly reduce battery efficiency and cause one AirPod to drain faster if it's exposed more than the other. Cold environments are especially problematic because they slow chemical reactions in lithium-ion batteries, leading to reduced efficiency and faster depletion of charge. Additionally, the right AirPod typically handles more processing power for features like active noise cancellation, which can lead to higher energy consumption and faster battery drain compared to the left AirPod. When software fixes like resetting and updating don't resolve the uneven battery drain in your AirPods, the issue is likely hardware related. This occurs in about 20% of cases, according to Apple data. Common hardware problems include a faulty battery, where lithium-ion cells degrade unevenly due to manufacturing differences or age, and defective charging coils that fail to charge properly. If your AirPods are still under warranty, typically 2 years from purchase, Apple will replace the defective AirPod for free. Contact Apple support or visit an Apple store for diagnosis. For AirPods outside of warranty, repairs can cost up to $99 per AirPod. Apple may still diagnose and repair if the issue qualifies under their service policies. Tech experts note that Apple's battery balancing software sometimes lags behind competitors, leading to uneven drainage in AirPods. A popular workaround from Reddit users is to switch to mono audio mode in your phone's accessibility settings. This forces both AirPods to use the same audio channel, which can help balance drainage. Recent AirPods models like the AirPods Pro 2 have introduced improved battery efficiency and MagSafe charging, significantly reducing complaints about uneven drainage between the earbuds. Looking ahead, future AirPods models are expected to feature graphene-infused batteries, providing better uniformity in charge levels and faster charging capabilities. Experts also predict a shift towards solid-state batteries in upcoming earbuds, which could eliminate drainage disparities entirely. Here's a troubleshooting checklist to fix uneven AirPod battery drain. Start by resetting your AirPods to clear any software glitches. Next, ensure your iOS or Android device and AirPods firmware are up to date for the latest fixes. Try to balance your usage between both earbuds to prevent uneven drain. Consider enabling mono audio mode to distribute sound evenly. If you suspect hardware issues, contact Apple support for diagnosis. Finally, always store your AirPods in their charging case when not in use. Preventing uneven battery drainage in your AirPods starts with good habits. First, always store your AirPods in their charging case when not in use. This keeps them protected and maintains optimal charge levels. Second, avoid exposing your AirPods to extreme temperatures. Both very hot and very cold environments can reduce battery efficiency and cause uneven drainage. Third, enable optimized battery charging in your iOS settings. This feature learns your daily charging patterns and helps maintain battery health by reducing the time your AirPods spend at 100% charge. Remember that lithium-ion batteries naturally degrade over time, typically lasting 500 to 1,000 charge cycles. Even with perfect care, battery life will diminish gradually. Finally, consider the age of your AirPods. Devices under 2 years old are typically covered by warranty for free repairs. Check your AirPods' age and warranty status to determine if professional service might be needed. By following these preventative measures, you can maximize your AirPods' battery lifespan and minimize the risk of uneven drainage issues.